Why you never ask yourself the reason why so many guys wey you come across no dey like give you head? Why you never reason am say the reason why so many guys wey you come across no dey like finger you, no dey like, last on top of you? My dear, make we tell ourselves the truth. Na because you dey get vaginal smell, your toto dey smell. And to quench that toto smell, to release yourself from that vaginal smell, get garlic. Garlic like this. Here is a clove of garlic. Now, some people say if they insert this garlic like that, the thing dey lost inside their toto. Yes, but you no need to panic. But instead of you to come dey panic, they get another easiest way to take follow this method. You know say garlic contain a lot of antibiotics. So if you use this garlic take clear your toto smell, my dear, you go testify. Leave drugs. Drugs go stop today, tomorrow e go continue. But constant using of this garlic, this method wey I want to show, you go testify. You go enjoy am pass when you dey take drug, because too much of antibiotics for body, you know wetin e dey cause. You know wetin e dey cause for women. So why you no use this wonderful method instead of taking antibiotics drugs? Why you no use this wonderful method? Why? Try am today and thank me tomorrow. Now get a clove of garlic like this. Get a needle and a thread. A needle like this. You insert your thread inside your needle, inside the hole of your needle. Now you know how you want your own rope to long reach. Just dey give you for example. You insert am like this. Then you tie the mouth, make e for no loose, because if you lose and the garlic dey inside your body already, the garlic go lost inside your toto. So if you no want something like that, you tie the mouth like this. Then you get that garlic, make a hole where the rope go follow take pass through the garlic like this. See the needle, see the garlic. Then, and before you go dey do this method, remember to wash your hands. If you be woman wey dey fix nails like me, wear hand glove, so make dirty from your finger wey you fix no give you more germs. You get? So after you don insert the rope, after you don insert the rope inside the garlic to form a hole where the rope go follow come out from the garlic, then you peel out your garlic. You go first insert the rope before you begin peel your garlic, because if you peel am come insert the rope, wahala, if you no insert am well, e go dey break. So insert your rope first before you peel the garlic back. Now I don peel my own finish. See my own, I don peel am finish. You get a brown new razor. Open the razor, make small cut for that garlic body so that e go work very fast and good. Small cut like this. Make sure say your blade na very new one. No go use person blade because of another wahala. You dey cause yourself another problem. This thing wey dey enter inside our system need to dey very neat and hygiene. So give am small marks for the body with that your new blade. Still use that blade, cut out the rope from the needle like this. Then you see as e be. You go still tie am, make e no go lost inside your toto. Still tie am. Still tie am like this. See as e be. So you no know how you want your own rope to long reach. I just dey give you example. Like this now you're safe. Or the garlic no fit lost. As the garlic dey enter inside your system, the rope dey outside your system, outside your body. So after like this method now go last for at least 2 days for your body. That's 2 days. After like 2 days, if you want bring am out, just draw out the rope. The rope don already dey outside already. So just draw am to bring out the garlic. You get? Just draw am to bring out the garlic. 2 days. 9 this garlic suppose last for your body. Do am at least a week or 2 weeks. You go testify, my dear. No need to go dey buy all these hard drugs they drink just to quench infections. If you drink am today, tomorrow you go still start again. So see the best method. That bad smell that inches wey dey inch you all over, that toilet smell, you know, that toilet infection, sorry, you don clear. Just dey use am constantly than to dey take drugs. Just dey use am constantly, and that your guy wey never give you head before, if you finally definitely notice your toto don stop to smell, come give you head, my sister, hi, that guy fit last where dey give you head for 2 hours, because the kind smell wey you go dey perceive from that place, hi, just don't worry, go try am. And why you never subscribe so you go dey get more of my videos. And if you like this video wey I just do now, you press the like button to show me say you like am. Thank you very much.